Today we are going to talk about overthinking. Overthinking is the biggest problem in this today's generation. We think small things a lot, like one small bad conversation, one bad experience, one bad day. We just think very small things too much and spend our whole day in thinking about it deeply. Just we are just thinking about it and not trying to solve that problem because we are just thinking and thinking that problem so much cannot solve it. To solve the problem you need to discuss it with someone who you trust, or the best option I try and I do every day when I think about anything too much, my best thing is I write that problem. This trick 100% works. When I overthink, I write about that problem, what that problem is, and what is, how it is making me feel, and how I am trying to figure it out but it is not getting figured out. I write everything about that problem, and after writing it on, I'll turn the page and I act as my best friend and try to figure out the solution of this that particular problem and write the solutions one by one. And slowly my brain stops and understands and get to know that there are so many solutions available, but I was so much flooded with the emotions of that problem and overthinking that I can't able to figure out the solution. My brain was overloaded with that overthinking and all the negative emotions. So first of all, to figure out the solution of particular problem which is causing you overthink, you need to write it down in your diary on a particular page. Just write in detail. You should have to write it in detail, and after that you have to act like that you are your own best friend and write all the possible solutions which can be for that problem. By this you can solve a lot of problems in your life, and you can also free up some space in your brain at that particular moment from overthinking. So, if you have the problem of overthinking, just quickly grab your diary and dump all the fucking thoughts in that diary, and it will free up some great space in your mind and make you feel light. You have this problem, okay? This is a very small problem, and it can be solved very easily if you communicate with your close one, or you write your problem, or you try to figure out the solution rather than thinking. And this is the problem. If you give it some space in your brain, this is the same problem, but it grows bigger if you give it so much time in your brain and feed it. So rather than making a very small problem a bigger one in your brain, just try to figure it out. I know the small problem can also make you feel bad, you also feel sad. It's okay to feel that emotion. Rather than, you have to feel that emotion. Feel it, write it down in your notebook, but learn the art of letting it go. Let it go, and you can only let any problem go when you write it down or share it with someone, or try to figure it out. Without these things, you can only feed that problem and make it bigger. So the simple thing is that the smallest problem can become so bigger in your mind if you think about it so much and take stress about it. So the thing is that if you have a problem, if you have a small issue, big issue, have issue, then you have to try to figure it out. And 99% of the time, I can figure out my problem's solution by just writing down. And this is actually, it 100% works for me. When I write something, when I write a problem in detail, while writing that problem, the solution comes in my mind automatically in my mind the solution comes, because you have to free up some space in your mind to think, to figure out the solution of that problem. And the second option is that if you have a close friend, if you have the person to which you are so much close and can share so many things, so you can share with that person. Main point is, don't let the small fucking problem ruin your whole day.